Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle of grooming accessories. In the left corner, we have the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade, and in the right corner, we have the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. It's a showdown between these two grooming giants, so let's dive right in. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade comes in at a cool $30, while the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR is slightly pricier at $32. Now, I know what you're thinking, $2? That's like finding spare change under your couch cushions, but hey, every penny counts, right? Now, let's talk about how long these bad boys last. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade claims to last up to 8 months with 2 full shaves per week. That's like having a shaving buddy that sticks around for a while. On the other hand, the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR recommends replacing the cartridge every 2 months. So, if you're someone who likes change, well, this one's for you. When it comes to functionality, both products have some pretty impressive features. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is not just a blade, my friends. It trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. It's like the Swiss Army knife of grooming. And guess what? It even has a glide coating and rounded tips to protect your precious skin. Talk about a smooth operator, but hold on, because the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR is not one to be left behind. This bad boy offers optimal hygiene with its alcohol-based cleaning solution. Plus, it has a refreshing lemon scent that will make you feel like you're on a tropical island while shaving. And let's not forget, it cleans, lubricates, and keeps your shaver performing at its best. It's like a spa day for your razor. Compatibility is key, my friends. The Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade is designed specifically for the Oneblade, so you know it's a match made in grooming heaven. But wait, the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR is no stranger to compatibility either. It works with any Clean&Charge unit, ensuring you get a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. It's like a love story between your shaver and the refill cartridge. According to online reviews, users praise the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade for its superior performance, precision, and durability. It provides a close and comfortable shave without irritation or nicks, and the replacement process is quick and hassle-free. On the other hand, the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR are highly recommended for their convenience, effectiveness in cleaning and sanitizing the shaver, and the refreshing lemon scent. Users find them to be cost-effective and provide excellent value for money. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this epic showdown between the Philips Oneblade Replacement Blade and the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Both products have their unique strengths, but ultimately it comes down to your personal preferences and grooming needs. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. So whether you choose the Oneblade or the Clean&Renew cartridges, rest assured that you're making a smart choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.